How cashback works on crypto.com. If you've been wondering how cashback works in crypto.com, right? Now, crypto.com first of all offers several ways to earn cashback, including purchase rebates, tiered CRO cashback, free ATM withdrawals, Apple Gear promotion, crypto.com rewards plus loyalty program. These are some of the ways. Now, when we talk about purchase rebates, cardholder with CRO tokens locked at their card tire receive rebates on purchases. The rebate is deposited into cardholder's CRO wallet as the equivalent amount in USD. The rebate cap resets each month. Some examples of rebates purchase include Expedia, Airbnb, Spotify, Netflix, Amazon, or X.com, which is Twitter.com. Now, there is another tiered CRO cashback where cardholders can earn up to 5% tiered CRO cashback. As for free ATM withdrawals, most card tiers offer free ATM withdrawals, though lower tier cards may have limited monthly withdrawals. Similarly, you have Apple Gear promotion and you have Crypto.com rewards plus loyalty program. I hope the video helped you understand how cashback works in Crypto.com. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.